Inventory tasks can be triggered by your warehouse management system or manually scheduled by an employee. Data is collected autonomously and sent to your WMS or ERP system with no employee intervention required. Scan and decode barcodes anywhere in your warehouse at any frequency without the need for lifting equipment to put employees at hazardous heights. Review racks for empty or underutilized locations. Collect the data at whatever frequency you need to optimize the space usage in your facility. Inspect your warehouse for damaged inventory and racking or misaligned pallets. The drone can identify anomalies and send the information back to your WMS or other systems. Use thermal imaging to inspect your facility infrastructure and equipment for irregular thermal footprints. Identify and predict problems prior to requiring more invasive inspection methods. Operators can manually inspect areas of interest, then record the inspection to repeat autonomously at a later time. Monitor your facility for hazardous conditions while performing other tasks. Keep track of trends and receive alerts when any parameter exceeds your defined limits. Augment your existing security systems with regular patrols during off hours. A live stream can be sent back to your security personnel. An alarm from your existing security system can trigger the drone to fly to an area of interest and stream video to your security personnel. Your security team can monitor the situation and act on it, or send the drone home when there is no longer a concern. When its battery is low or its